Hey, Bob Carr here with TLC. Folks ask us all the time, hey, what about the brand new lighting that's out there? Yeah, man, there's a lot of lighting out there. There's a lot of junk, there's a lot of good stuff. We're using a lot of Alliance products. They're one of the best ones on the market. All their fixtures are brass, no aluminum. That's why we can give a 7-year warranty. So they have it in brass color as well as black, which we'll see over here when we take a look. Everything they have in brass now, they've introduced into black, okay? Some of their line are gonna be the normal halogen. The others, which we're pushing a lot because folks are really enjoying this a lot here this past summer, is color changing. So we can install this on your property or retrofit out what you currently have, either with our fixtures or something we put in the past, so we can make everything color changing on your property. So if you got a sports team, holiday, whatever you might want to do, we can change each and every fixture to the color we want as far as the intensity of it. So if you have outdoor lighting and you want to see what's happening with the brand new fixtures and what's new out there that you can control by the smartphone in your pocket, reach out to us. We'll come out and we'll perform an outdoor lighting demo where we'll bring out a dozen fixtures. We'll set them up, timer, transformer, fixtures. Wire will be above ground, fixtures will be in the ground, so you can see the difference. So for all your outdoor lighting needs and modifications, feel free to reach out. Hit the link below for more information. We'll talk to you soon.